Hello to everyone. Today we will discuss about the female reproductive organ. Gynecium is the female reproductive organ and composed of carpel or megasporophyll. Carpel is differentiated into ovary, style and stigma. Female part Female reproductive part of plant are stigma receive the pollen grain from anther, which is the part of male reproductive part. Style connect the stigma to the ovary contain the ovules develop into a fruit after fertilization. Ovule contain the egg cell develop into a seed after fertilization. This is the structure of flower. It is the stigma, style and ovary. These three made carpel, which is the female reproductive part. Ovary bears ovule, which are produced on parenchymatous outgrowth, that's placenta, on the inner wall of ovary. Ovule is rounded structure attached to placenta by stalk called funicles. The attachment place of funicles to body of ovule is known as hilum. The attachment place of funicles to body ovule is known as hilum. Ovules are enclosed in ovary and consist of a central mass of parenchymatous cells known as the nucellus. When nucellus is very messy and sporogenous cells are deeply embedded in the ovule is known as crassinucellate as in monocote, and gametophyte nucellus is composed of any one layer around sporogenous tissue. Such as ovule is usually monotangemic and is called as tenucellate. Nucellus is bitangemic, surrounded by two integuments in monocote and primitive dicote, those with crassinucellate ovule, and is unitangemic or monotangemic, surrounded by only one integument, as in higher dicote. Integuments are totally absent in Lerinthus, Lyrosoma, Centrum. In third integument, one or two from the base of the ovule in the form of aerial in many plants, for example lychee, Tranthemia, Aspergillus, etc. This is the part of female reproductive part: stigma, style, ovary, thalamus. Stigma, style, ovary, all of these three made up carpels, which is the part of female reproductive organ. Types of ovules based upon relative position of micropyle and chalaza at maturity. Following types of view has been recognized: orthotropous or heterotropous. When funicles, micropyle and chalaza all are in one plane, the ovule is heterotropous or orthotropous, as in Polygonum piper. Anatropous ovule, when body of ovule is rotated by 180 degree and micropyle came near to funicle. Chalaza and micropyle are in straight line, but helium is at 90 degree in micropyle. This type of ovule is called anatropous ovule. It is very common ovule. Camptotromous ovule, when body of ovule is more or less at right angle to funicle and micropyle bent to downward, the ovule is called camptropous, as in carpels, Caprice and Cynopodium. Amphitropous ovule, body of ovules curved and the embryo sac inside also bend and become horseshoe shaped, for example Butomus, lemon, etc. Hemitropous ovule, entire body of ovule is turned through 90 degree and micropyle and chalaza lie in straight line with 90 degree angle with funicles. Carcinotropous ovule, the ovule turn more than 360 degree, so that funicle become coiled around the ovule. For example opuntia. Megasporogenesis and development of female gametophyte. Hypodermal cell of micropyle and of ovule differentiated into a sporogenous cell, which eventually become megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell divide by meiosis to form 4 haploid megaspore, one megaspore on callagel and remain intact, while other 3 degenerate the functional megaspore at the callagel and grow, and many vacuoles appear in the cytoplasm. The nuclei undergo 3 mitotic division to form 8 nuclei, 3 nuclei at callagel, and get surrounded by walls and form antipodal. Out of the 3 nuclei located at the micropyle, and one serve as egg and the other 2 as synergid, together constitute the egg apparatus. The mature structure with 2 polar nuclei, antipodals, and egg apparatus is called embryo sac. The typical embryo sac, monosporic 8 nucleate or polygonum type, is having 8 nuclei but 7 cells, 3 microbial cell and 3 clasal cell, the 2 polar nuclei forming a single central cell. The synergids are also known as helper, as the help in distribution of nutrient in the embryo with the help of filiform apparatus. They also help in attracting pollen tube toward egg. Antipodal help in nutrition of embryo sac. A tissue called aperture also help in growth of pollen tube toward egg. This is the structure of ovule. ये देख सकते हैं हम, ये कैलेजल पोल, outer integument, embryo sac. This is the helium. This is funicle, which is directly attached to the ovary. Integument, inner integument, nucellus, and micropyle. And this is the structure of megasporogenesis. इसमें हम देख सकते हैं, this is the micropyle and this is synergid, egg, central cell, 2 polar nuclei, antipodal. And this is the 7-celled 8 nucleate embryo sac. This is antipodal cells, polar nuclei, central cell, ये egg, synergid and filiform. Thank you for watching.